Hello everyone, this is Swati from ThemeHunk.com. Welcome back to our channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how you can add and customize linear progress bar block in your website. For this, first you have to install and activate Unlimited Blocks for Gutenberg in your dashboard. After installing and activating the plugin, I am navigating to my pages. I am creating a new page to show you how you can customize linear progress bar block. Adding my title here. Now I am going with block panel. Search your linear progress bar here. Click on it. As you can see, these settings are given in our linear progress bar. Title setting, progress bar setting. In title setting, you can adjust the font size by just increasing or decreasing the scroll bar like this. You can display your title inside or outside. You can change the color of your title. You can change the title from the editor. From progress bar setting, you can adjust the height of your bar. Change the percentage. Adjust the border radius. Also set the animation delay time. From background color, you can change the color of your percentage bar. You can also select gradient color. From second background option, you can change the color of your bar like this. You can also add your additional CSS class here if you want to give any other CSS in your progress bar. In this way, you can customize and add linear progress bar block in your website. I hope this video tutorial will help you. For more video tutorials like this, please press the bell icon and subscribe ThemeHunk channel. Thank you.